Hi, my name is Immaculate Desmond. I am a master's student at Rome Business School. I'm doing the master's program in international digital marketing and business transformation. I'm a social media marketer and community manager at Intense Group. The Intense Group at Rome Business School has been awesome. Like, it's been awesome so far. I think one thing that really stands out for me is that not only am I an online student, but I get the opportunity to see my colleagues, my classmates, and us coming together. It doesn't even look as if it's our first time meeting. It has been an interactive section. And I really like the fact that Rome Business School is intentional about their faculties. That is those that give us the lectures. They are people that are experienced, and I've gotten to learn a lot of things, practical things, things I am likely to apply immediately now in my place of work and in my career in the future. My experience at Rome Business School so far has been amazing. Before I had started my program here at Rome Business School, I didn't really have much of a mastering experience in my field, and going through the classes, the online classes, both the classes on strategy, I've been able to apply my knowledge more practical in my business. I think one thing that stood out for me is the fact that I don't just make decisions just based on facts, but on data, like more valuable reasons. I have more detailed steps and strategies on how best to take digital marketing decisions. So it's been awesome so far. Very, very detailed. I think I enjoy the fact that the curriculum is very flexible. I'm able to do work, I'm able to do family, and yet be a student. So it's been awesome so far. I would love to recommend Rome Business School to anybody that needs to do a master's program. I think one thing that makes Rome Business School really stand out is the fact that they are well structured, and it's something that you can actually do as a business owner, a family person, or even someone that has tight schedule, because they have a well structured system whereby you can always catch up on anything they are doing. An amazing learning experience with key details and well-structured environment is something you should look out for in Rome Business School. So I really advise you to enroll on the next set because it's something worth investing in.